got a very late start.
I let you get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. I let you get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. I let you get to me, I let you get to me, get to me. I let you get to me, I let you get to me, get to me. I let you get to me, I let you get to me, get to me. I let you get to me, I let you get to me, get to me.
Now I got Ben singing Beyonce. What song? Middle finger up, raise your hand high. Put it in his face, tell that boy bye. Tell that boy bye. Guys, I am literally the grouchiest, grumpiest person in the before going skiing. I wish I was like happy and pleasant, but number one, I hate doing the long drive from Denver to Breckenridge and, like, you know, getting stuck in traffic sometimes. Today we got lucky. And then also I hate ski boots with a passion. And pretty much the ski boots that I get, whether they're good or bad, it doesn't even really matter. I always just get really grumpy the moment I put them on. Ask Ben.
You're only grumpy when you put on ski boots and when you're hungry.
That's it?
That's it.
You're like a pretty pleasant person, right?
Yeah.
Babe, you didn't sound convinced. But we're up going on the mountain. It's gonna be fun. I got my ski boots on, and as soon as I put my skis on and I'm going down, I'm fine. It's just the before part. I become a complete.
I let you get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. I let you get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. I let you get to me, I let you get to me, get to me. I let you get to me, I let you get to me, get to me. I let you get to me, I let you get to me, get to me. I let you get to me, I let you get to me, get to me.
Been amazing. It's so nice, and the snow is like a slushie.
It's like riding a snow cone.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. It's like riding a snow cone, and my skis, like, you'll just be flying and then halt at a stop because you get stuck in just smush. Went to Mountaintop Cookie Shop because of Instagram, and we're about to do our first taste of this incredible cookie. Yeah,
get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. I'll let you get to me, I'll let you get to me, get to me, I'll let you get to me.
Hello. So the thing about skiing from Denver to up here in Breckenridge, it is just so tiring. You wake up super early, or Ben wakes up super early, and then you have to like head out over here, and right now like there's not a lot of traffic, thank God, but it is exhausting. So that's like one of the biggest reasons why I want to get a camper van, so that way we can like camp out in the mountains and hang and chill, and then jump on the slopes and sleep in, but still get the first powder of the day.